Thank you.
Welcome one and all to a
Jesus.
special edition of Smile Challenge Quiz.
That is it.
It is Australia or New Zealand. Easy, easy, easy. All right. And the test is of the knowledge of our competitors, Simone and Delia, our challengers, Simone and Delia. And of
So why we
course,
couldn't work as a team versus
questions.
Neverland and
questions
Reina?
will be all about the co-host of the Women's World Cup, Australia and New Zealand. Are we ready?
No?
That's the paper.
All right.
Why couldn't be me and Harris against Reina and Belle? They're both here.
Just a little bit about the format. I ask the question.
Format?
There is a buzzer, and the first
Buzzer, baby.
challenger to press the buzzer and answer the questions correctly,
It's good.
they score the points that way.
I have a challenge.
Are we ready?
No, I have a challenge. Sir, I have a challenge, you know.
What are your challenges?
My challenge is it's a girl power. I don't understand this also.
It's not business if you have a
a girl power Tuesday and you are pitting us against each other.
No,
And
it's friendly. It's a friendly competition. So there's no
good answer.
there's
Good answer.
genuine rivalry here.
Good
Like, what's
answer.
the way it goes?
Okay, are we ready for the first
Yeah.
question?
No, wait.
Couldn't ask
Wait.
him about
Test the bell.
America.
I have a
Test the bell for
question.
me, please. Let me see if it
I have a
works.
Couldn't ask
question.
him about America.
Are we
I'm the
ta-
one asking the questions.
I have a question. This horse is garbage. Hello? Sir, where to answer or where to hold up the flag?
Oh, hold up the flag and answer.
Okay.
Shoot.
Hold up the flag first, you signal the country of your choice, and then you can
Me
say.
not like that horse here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm too raw.
Are we ready?
So, Belle, hold up the flag.
And answer.
I want it, but is that you know?
Question. This country pioneered women's suffrage.
Suffrage.
Yes.
Wait, I have a question. Wait now. Suffrage is a word?
Suffrage.
Suffrage.
Yeah.
Simone, are you ringing the
Wait.
bell? So you have to go first.
Oh, wait.
No, she was answering
No,
suffrage.
many things about I just said suffrage. I have a challenge. I have a challenge.
This country pioneered
Women's suffrage.
No, but I didn't opt to answer that question. I want to talk about suffrage.
I have the answer. Can I answer since Simone is not answering and we are running out of time?
All right. Go. Who is that?
Australia.
Wait,
Sorry, wrong answer.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
me?
All right.
No, wait.
This is a
Wait,
big no.
why she
no,
couldn't pass
no,
it?
waste
it's not.
time.
No, we're not.
I'm
Next
fine.
question.
Yes.
Visual question. The animal pictured can only be found in this country.
It's a kangaroo. It must be, and it's Australia. I don't even know it's what.
I don't see the animal yet. Here you
Oh,
go.
it's a kiwi. It's Australia. Kiwi.
It's news. It's Australia.
It's Australia. Correct, Simon.
Is that a kiwi or a koala?
This country.
Koala bear. What's it? I think this game is so.
No, it's not. It's not about the name of it.
Oh, it's okay.
All right.
But it's really
This country has a hill with the world's longest name. This country is
New Zealand.
Australia.
No, it's New Zealand.
New
It's
Zealand?
New Zealand.
It's my point.
85 word name.
And the name of the hill is.
Very long.
I didn't hear the buzzer.
See there? But
Yeah.
wait, so do I get the
I think you
point?
got the pronunciation wrong, but I think you're basically right. Right. There are 5 sheep in every resident in this country. Simone?
New Zealand.
Correct.
New Zealand, correct. This country is home of 21 of the world's 25 most venomous snakes.
Soon it must be Australia.
Yes,
That
it
place they're full of reptilians.
Yes, it is.
That's why I'm
All
going there.
but one scene in Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings films were filmed in this country.
Come on, Harris. This is
Me?
It's a flame.
Sure,
You must
sure.
know.
You're right, you're right, you're
Lord of
right.
the Rings.
Lord of
Yes,
the-
no man.
I don't
Ooh,
know.
that's New Zealand.
I'm gonna
That's
say
gotta be
New Zealand, but I don't know.
Yeah,
New
man.
It's New Zealand?
New Zealand.
Oh God, me get one right.
Good job.
This one is an easy one, so this is all about speed. This country is the 6th largest in the world.
Australia, the continent.
The world's largest sand island can be found in this country. Sand Island.
Sand Island.
Yes.
Island. Oh my God.
Logically? It's logical. Yeah?
I'm gonna say Australia.
Yeah? Anything large in terms of large with these two countries. Most, I would have guessed Australia.
Okay.
As well, Simone.
Okay.
This country is the 3rd closest in the world to the Antarctica?
I don't know that one there. I could have New Zealand, I'm not sure.
It's one of two, you know.
I know one or two, but
That's why we're going to guess. To Antarctica?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to say it's New Zealand just because I'm hazarding a guess.
I think you're having a great morning.
It's the coffee.
This country exports its camels to the Middle East.
Camels?
Camels. Not kangaroos. Camels.
You know?
You're trying to trick us, you know.
Of course, it's my trick.
Yeah. Because you're trying to throw us off the camel. Make us know, say.
So what you have camel?
Say Australia.
I'm going to say Australia. I'm not
correct.
Australia. Hey!
This country is the home of the oldest culture on earth.
Come on, Alice.
Hello.
Who is the person? What, Jesus?
Oldest culture on earth. That looks like the Maori. Is it Maori?
Say Australia. Say Australia.
It could be.
Aboriginal.
Could be them, you know, but I don't sure if it's them.
Time is going, Dana.
When am I?
5, 4.
I'm not right if I say Australia.
Yes, Australia it is.
Australia. Maori.
This country is the home of the smallest dolphin species in the world on earth.
I'm going to say Australia.
Wrong. New Zealand.
Is it?
All right.
Okay.
Shoot.
Is it? What?
Wow.
I didn't know that.
This country is the home of a number of pink lakes.
Pink lakes?
Yes, pink lakes.
Pink lakes? Why them lake pink? Ooh, that's
really
very
pink.
pink. Oh my God. I don't know what
You know way.
I say New Zealand, but I'm not sure.
It's Australia.
Jesus.
Government studies have found that a lake in this country has the clearest water in the world.
We'll go back to Australia again.
Clearest water in the world.
Pink or clear?
Clearest.
Zealand. Zealand.
We ask the judges
Our New Australia.
to ponder that answer.
Zealand.
And the final question. No matter where you are in this country, you will always be close and able to see
the
sea.
sea. New Zealand!
Correct. Do we go for a break to tabulate this?
Break!
And then we announce our winner?
I have an inquiry.
One win. But what was the answer to the other? The
last
Clear
one.
Lake.
The last
Clear
one.
Lake. Australia?
New Zealand.
Yeah, I'll see it there.
Oh.
And of course, understandably, the last question.
So you couldn't ask me things that we know, like the Great Barrier Reef.
The last question is New Zealand as well.
You don't ask
We got
one
that
kangaroo
one.
question.
We got that one. But you couldn't ask me things like what the Great Barrier Reef.
Do we announce the winner
Why
or do we wait on their pigs and all of that?
It's a tie?
It's a tie.
No,
Here you
Simone
go.
Whitney.
We have a tie.
No, Simone Whitney, no wicked.
Okay.
Some protest?
No, I'm not.
I think we should.
Non-protest.
Me not protest.
I think we
Simone
should
Whitney.
announce you as
Non-protest Concadaris.
co-champions.
Simone Whitney. You don't ask like about the Great Barrier Reef and them.
Nothing. Shana went for the most random.
Cricket, rugby. My God.
All right. Dina, call the name of this hill again.
I'm going to tell you.
Call the name of the hill again.
It is the Taumata Wakatangi Hanga Kuawa Utama Tituri Puka Piki Manga Horonuku Pokai Wenuaki.
This is your champion right
here.
This is your champion right here.
85 letters.
I think Tracy should try it before we go to bed.
No. Broadcasting Commission is watching this show.
Boboski Watton can I like it.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, guys, stick around. We're getting the details on KFC's big new promotion in just a moment. Thank you, Tracy. Appreciate it. Vote your star, please.